Welcome. If you've ever wanted to see a quick preview of links right on your Facebook page with just a click, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the brand new update that lets you enable link previews on your Facebook page when using your PC. Let's get started and make your browsing experience smoother and more interactive. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select your page. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Now, once you're on your page, click on your page's profile photo. This opens up more options specifically for your page management. Next, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will bring you to the main settings dashboard for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of settings categories. Scroll down and click on Accessibility. In the Accessibility section, find and select Keyboard and Assistive Technology settings. This is where Facebook has placed the new link preview feature. Now, look for the option labeled Show Previews of Links. Click on it, and you'll see a couple of choices. To enable the new feature, select Show Preview after clicking. This means every time you click a link on your page, a preview will pop up, giving you a quick look before you decide to open it fully. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've just enabled link previews on your Facebook page. Now, you can browse and manage your page with more confidence, knowing exactly where every link leads before you visit. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit from this new Facebook update. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.